Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to stake crypto on Robinhood. Now the process is pretty simple. Make sure to open your Robinhood application, and once you're at the home section, so just go to this section which is called crypto section. So go to the crypto section, and once you're into the crypto section, make sure to select your coin. You can go into the holding section and select your coin and whatever your coin is. Now let's say the coin that I selected is Solana. So make sure to select your coin, and once you open the coin, you just need to scroll down, and once you scroll down, you will seeing a pop-up or like an option like this one called staking. So make sure to open the option staking, and once you open the option staking, make sure to go to get started and select the coin Solana 5% APY. So just click on the available price or the available amount to stake. Just select the currency, and once you click here, you will be seeing like an option or a pop-up like this one, staked SOL. Like, did you stake any, the history of staking and everything. So you can just click on stake or unstake, as the amount is already staked in this one. So just click on stake, and once you click on stake, you will be asked to enter the price, like how much do you want to stake. So make sure to enter the price in Ethereum. Make sure to like enter 0.1, 0.5, or how much do you want to stake. Select the amount, and once you have selected the amount, you will you just can read the other information as well, like estimated processing time, payouts schedule, estimated first payout date as well. So you can review all the information, and once you have read all the information, so you can just click on stake, and once you have click on stake, it will be staked easily. So this process is pretty simple. Make sure to follow the step by step, and you will be able to do it. And also make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.